What's the most destructive force in the cosmos? Is it a black hole, swallowing stars whole? A gamma ray burst, scorching planets in seconds? Or something so strange, it defies physics itself? The universe is a battlefield of extreme energy. Some forces shatter galaxies, others bend reality, and a few, we're still scrambling to understand them. Let's dive into the unthinkable. Imagine a single subatomic particle, smaller than an atom, packing the punch of a fastball thrown at 100 miles per hour. Meet ultra-high energy cosmic rays. These aren't just random space debris. They're lone assassins, traveling billions of light years to strike Earth with unfathomable force. Our best particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider, smashes protons at 13 trillion electron volts. Impressive? Not to these cosmic rays. Some blast in at 100 quintillion electron volts, millions of times more powerful. Where do they come from? No one knows. Maybe supermassive black holes, hurling particles like cosmic slingshots, or collapsing stars, firing off deadly sparks. But here's the catch. They hit Earth once per century per square kilometer. You could stare at the sky your entire life and never see one. A 10-kilometer asteroid isn't just a rock. It's a planet killer. When it struck 66 million years ago, the energy released eclipsed every nuke on Earth combined. The impact? Instant hell. The crust melted, shockwaves ripped continents apart. Then came the firestorms, thousands of miles of forests vaporized. But the real nightmare? Impact winter. Dust blotted out the sun. Temperatures plummeted. 75% of all species vanished. And it will happen again. Right now, telescopes scan for threats. But space is dark and asteroids, they don't glow. We might get years of warning, or none at all. Some planets don't orbit stars. They wander alone, dark, frozen, and deadly. If one drifted into our solar system, chaos. A collision wouldn't just crack Earth, it would liquefy it. Mountains, gone, oceans, boiled into space. The energy released would outshine the sun, and the aftermath, a new planet forged from the wreckage. Sound like sci-fi? It's already happened. Many believe Earth's moon was born when a Mars-sized rogue planet smashed into us. The universe doesn't care if we're here. It resets when it wants. These forces don't hate us, they don't know us, they just are. And that's the scariest part. So, what's the most unstoppable force? You tell me. Drop your pick in the comments. And if you survived this video, like and subscribe. The cosmos has plenty more horrors to show us.